Hi, this is Tim Halloran. I'm doing day 5 of the 90-day video journey. I'm doing this video on my new laptop, which I've just bought off a friend of mine, and my last one I was struggling with for a number of reasons. One of them was the mic wasn't working, so I couldn't use the computer to do any videos, and for the webinars and seminars and things like that, I couldn't actually speak to anybody. So it was a bit of a pain from that point of view. This is my first MacBook, which is really quite exciting. So I'm really quite enjoying it at the moment. Just getting used to all the different features and functions, and yeah, it's like having a new toy. It feels like Christmas. Yeah, what are we on, day 4? Didn't sleep very well, so that always sort of puts me on a bit of a back foot when I'm trying to get stuff done. What was I going to talk about today? Had something in mind that I wanted to talk about, but it'll come to me in a minute. A lot of dead space there, isn't there? Time passing by. Yeah, so yesterday I chatted about Joe Vitale's book. That's right. And manifesting, and being light with the things that you want, and yeah, I think that's really important, not to hold on too tightly for all your goals and things you want to achieve. Yes, I think that it's important to have goals to move your life forward, but equally, I think sometimes it's good just to let go of those things and see what happens, see what comes out of the thoughts you've been having. And yesterday I was running my class. I teach a kung fu class, and I really enjoyed it. And I've been building it for about since 2000. So it's 8 years now, and it's great being able to just play with people who are now getting good, and it's it's pushing me on as well, making me want to keep working and keep training. And but it's taken 8 years to get to that stage, and I didn't really pat myself on the back, I don't think, for it ever, because there was nobody to sort of reward me or hand me some certificate or say that's well done, that's an achievement, because it was only me. It was it sort of went unsung, really, and yeah, so it's almost as important to reward yourself for the small achievements as it is for the large ones, because you can achieve things and not notice it. And often we'll go through life and we've achieved a lot and we've never noticed it. We haven't noticed what we've manifested where we are now. If we look back 10 years ago and see the difference in our life, we'll often not even recognize the massive differences and changes that we've brought about just through our thinking, and some of them unconsciously, some unconscious thoughts and things that we might have brought into our lives in an unconscious way through our well, it's all about how we perceive things, the way we look at things, what we think about and think about, we bring about. That's how the expression goes, isn't it? And it's true. I was lying awake in the night, thinking and watching my mind and seeing how all the things it looks at and grasps for and dreams of, and it's very unfocused. And that was what I was going to talk about today, was focus, which was, if you want to accomplish something, get very specific about what it is. I know that's kind of counter to what I was saying before, but by getting very specific, you can accomplish that thing very quickly. And I think the reason why it's taken me a long time to build an internet business is because I've been juggling this business and that business. I've got a kung fu school, I've got the stunt business, and then when I sit down and I do the internet business, I'm very sort of scattered in my mind about how exactly to do that. What are the steps? What should I take? And it's only through doing these seminars and webinars and things that I've been able to look over people's shoulders and see what they've done, and that's allowed me to get a lot more focused and think, right, what do I need to accomplish today, and then the next day, and then the next day. But breaking it all right down over to what I want to achieve in 5 years, and then what do I want to do today, right now, what can I accomplish in the next hour, which is going to move things forward, even if it's to watch a video or write an article, or even if it's a small thing. If you do that continuously every day, then eventually you get to where you want to be. Anyway, I've rambled on long enough. I don't know if I'll use this video, but I may, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.